Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use gamma on iPhone. While there isn't a direct gamma slider, you can achieve similar visual adjustments using built-in accessibility features. These settings allow you to fine-tune your display's color and brightness characteristics, enhancing overall visual comfort and clarity. We will explore the specific steps to modify your screen's appearance effectively. To begin, navigate to your iPhone settings application. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, which houses various options to customize your device for different needs. From there, locate and select Display and Text Size. This section contains the crucial tools we will use to modify your screen's visual output, mimicking gamma adjustments. Within Display and Text Size, enable the Color Filters option. This feature allows you to apply various color adjustments to your entire screen. Select Color Tint to gain control over the display's hue and intensity. By carefully adjusting the intensity and hue sliders, you can significantly alter how colors are presented, creating a gamma-like correction. For further refinement, scroll down in Display and Text Size and enable Reduce White Point. This setting decreases the intensity of bright colors on your screen, which can significantly improve contrast and reduce glare. By combining Reduce White Point with your color filter adjustments, you can achieve a comprehensive and personalized visual experience, similar to precise gamma calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.